Today I have the Xtreme Production metal tail servo mount and carbon fiber pushrod for the Blade 130X. So first I'm going to unbox it and show you what it looks like. On top you have your instructions as always, but I'm also going to show you how you install it. And then here you have your carbon fiber pushrod, which is perfectly straight, has no bends in it like the stock tail pushrod has. And since this is carbon fiber, it's going to be a lot more stiff than the stock metal one. We have some Xtreme Production stickers. It's always cool to have some nice stickers. And then here we have the metal tail servo mount, and we also have the plastic boom support. So I'm going to show you how you install all of this. So now I'm going to start taking apart my helicopter and putting on this piece. I'll show you what the next step looks like. So I took off my stock tail servo mount and my stock boom support mount, and for now just swung the boom supports down. And all that we're going to have left is this servo hanging here. And the next step is going to be to take the little ball out of the package, and it's going to screw into the hole where you had the stock pushrod on the tail servo. So I'm going to go ahead and screw it in now, and it uses a 1.5 millimeter Allen head. So I'm going to go screw that on, and I'll tell you what to do next. Okay, so I went ahead and finished the install. The rest of it's pretty easy. You just put the tail servo mount on. The 3 screws come in it. So you're just going to take out the 3 screws, put on the boom, replace the 3 screws. And you're going to want to leave them just a little bit loose so that you could adjust your tail servo so that it's in the right position. The tail servo screws on with 2 screws up here. Then the boom supports are right here. It's 2 pieces. The top piece just fits on top of the boom. It's a press fit. And then the bottom piece screws into the bottom of the top piece, and that holds it all together. This metal sleeve that fits onto the carbon fiber pushrod, once it's in place, you're going to want to CA just the ends of it so that it doesn't move. And then lastly, you're going to want to screw on this ball link to the end, adjust it to the right length. And that is how you install the Xtreme Production carbon fiber pushrod with metal tail servo mount. And the advantage of this is that it is much more stiff than the stock pushrod, which I have right here. As you can see, the stock pushrod, it's thin, it's flimsy, it bends a lot, it's going to be bending in flight. That's not going to give you very precise tail control. With this carbon fiber one, it's perfectly straight, no bends, it's very rigid, and it's going to give you more precise tail control. And it also improves the geometry because it's straight. And overall, it's really going to help give you some better tail authority on your Blade 130X helicopter.